Hey guys, I got something I want to share with you. It's a product I really love. Now I used to have a blender that I used to use for my shakes and other stuff, but the blender always got so dirty. It was always so hard to clean inside the blender and clean the blades. I ended up throwing the whole thing out, and I bought this XProject 800 watt blender. It's a hand blender, and this has made my life so much easier. I'm actually going to make a shake today and show you how easy it is. Much easier to clean than a regular blender. It's so powerful. It comes with a lot of great options. It comes with this whisk extension here. You can set it up to use the whisk. It comes with this chopper bowl. You can put it right on top. It'll chop anything in here from salad to meat to whatever you want. It's just really high quality. It's 800 watt, and when you feel it, you can just feel it's made with quality materials. So what I've got here is I've got some coconut milk, some almond milk, some bananas, and some strawberries. And I make these shakes, and I do add protein powder once in a while. I'm out of it today, but I can also add protein powder. So let's do this. Let's put our bananas inside. And this is a little beaker that comes with, this beaker actually comes with the blender. Let's put our strawberries inside. All right, and now what I'll do is pour a little bit of my almond milk, and then I will pour some coconut milk on top of that, about that high, about halfway high, and I'll come over here and grab my blender. It's got two options, a regular power, and it's got turbo option if you have to break ice or you need to do a little bit more blending. Turn it on. It's already blended. I'm just going to touch it up a little bit. Look how easy that was. Now I've got an awesome strawberry banana shake. I can simply rinse this off here in the sink, and it's clean, and I'm ready to go without cleaning any blenders or making any dirty dishes. This is amazing. That is so good. You guys got to try this. This blender is available from XProject on Amazon. If you go to Amazon and search XProject, you're going to find the blender. And again, it comes with everything you need. It comes with the whisk, comes with this chopper, it comes with everything you need. It comes with this beaker here. So it's a great purchase. Check it out. I think you're going to love it, and I highly recommend the XProject blender. And make yourself a shake like this, and you'll be glad you did.